chatter over nature detectives. Welcome to Storytime with me. Today we're soaring through the vibrant butterfly conservatory, a haven for colourful wings and delicate dances. But trouble is brewing, so grab your butterfly nets made of soft fabric, of course, and magnifying glasses, because we're about to unravel the case of the missing monarchs. In the heart of the butterfly conservatory lived a curious caterpillar named Cecil. Cecil, unlike his friends who feasted on juicy leaves, dreamt of transforming into a majestic monarch butterfly. One sunny morning, excitement buzzed. Cecil's friends, having spun beautiful chrysalises, were about to emerge as butterflies. But when Cecil approached their cocoons, his heart sank. Panic fluttered through the conservatory. The other butterflies, adorned with vibrant orange and black wings, chirped worriedly. The head gardener, Mrs. Honeybloom, a kind woman with a love for all creatures, rushed over. "Don't worry, little ones," she soothed. "We'll find our missing monarchs." Cecil, with his magnifying glass at eye level, examined the deserted chrysalises. He spotted a trail of tiny, glistening threads leading away from the enclosure. "Mrs. Honeybloom," he chirped. Mrs. Honeybloom, following the trail with a practiced eye, led Cecil on a whirlwind adventure. The trail snaked through the conservatory, past blooming orchids and trickling waterfalls, finally leading them to a large glass dome. Inside the dome, bathed in a warm glow, lived a group of exotic butterflies. There was Morpho, a stunning blue butterfly with iridescent wings, Vanessa, a regal viceroy with bold black and white stripes, and Luna, a magnificent moth with emerald green wings and translucent tails. Cecil, with a determined chirp, questioned each suspect. Morpho flapped his wings, claiming he preferred the nectar of exotic flowers. Vanessa puffed out her chest, denying any knowledge of the missing butterflies. And Luna, with gentle movements, explained she was nocturnal and wouldn't be out during the day. Suddenly, a loud screech echoed through the dome. A large spider, startled by the commotion, scurried out from behind a potted plant. Its web, glistening with sunlight, held two familiar orange and black shapes, the missing monarchs. Without a moment's hesitation, Cecil, aided by Mrs. Honeybloom, sprang into action. Using a long stick, they carefully untangled the monarchs from the web. Relief fluttered through the conservatory as the rescued butterflies, a little shaken but unharmed, rejoined their friends. The conservatory buzzed with celebration. The rescued monarchs, their wings finally unfurled, joined their friends in a joyful dance. Cecil, a hero amongst the butterflies, learned that courage can come in all sizes, even a tiny caterpillar. See, even in the most beautiful gardens, mysteries can unfold. Remember, sometimes the villain isn't who you expect. With a dash of bravery and a sprinkle of friendship, any danger can be overcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild adventures on our channel. See you next time!